and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's gonna be a different video because I'm going to start a slime series. And if you don't know what this is, it's basically where I make slime, but I'm gonna be making every single time. I'm gonna be making one type of slime every month. So let's say this slime video of the month is plank slime. Then I'm going to make the slime in the video. And then in the next month, I'm going to make another video of another slime. So yeah, and I'm so excited to start this. So yeah, and we're getting our first slime that we're going to start. That's going to be in our first slime series. Is, drum roll please, Fluffy Slime! And I'm so excited. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I have all the materials. So the materials that you're going to need is some activator. I'm using Tide. And then you're going to need some paint of your choice. This is basically optional, but I decided to use paint, so I'm going to use paint and glitter glue paint, shaving cream, and Elmer's glue, obviously. So, and a bowl and a mixing utensil, but I'm using a fork. You can use anything. Okay, I'm just so excited to use a fork. Okay, I'm going to stop being weird and let's get started. So, put a shaving cream over there and make a fluffy slime. Super fluffy. Hopefully. Pour it in. It's actually not that heavy anymore. It used to be heavy. Okay, that's a lot. And especially since I'm adding shaving cream. Okay. I don't like it when it drips. I get so annoyed. So this is how much we have in our bowl. I'm not all the way completely dripped. This is how much we have in our bowl. And we're gonna add some shaving cream, which we're gonna go crazy with because it doesn't have shaving cream. Gonna mix it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, and then you're gonna a little but liquidy, and by liquidy I mean a lot. Not that much. This is supposed to be super fluffy slime. I'm trying not to get it on my nightstand because, as you can tell, I'm filming this on my nightstand, not in my slime desk or on my desk. This is how much shaving cream we got, or we're working with. We're gonna mix that. Do you guys like slime videos? Like, tell me, because I want to know. Because if you guys don't like it, what if I keep making a lot of slime videos and you guys just don't like it? You know, we're gonna put you guys a little bit closer because I have you guys on this thingy that I got in the $10 Dollar Tree challenge. At the time, it was Valentine's Day, but okay, so this is what we're working with. I'm gonna add some color to this. We're gonna add some food coloring.
Aguántame eso rápido porque me voy a bañar, ¿ok? Ya no quiero que estés gastando nada de eso.
Okay, so that was like, my mom keeps getting mad at me because I keep making slime, but it's just a necessity, you know, and especially since I have it challenged. Oh no. So we're gonna continue mixing like nothing happened. Whee! Okay, now we're gonna add color to this. And by the way, this isn't just any old ordinary fluffy slime. This is my mom's birthday slime. Oh, and by the way, I uploaded a new video today. If you don't know what it is, go check it out because this video is going up Wednesday. So it was my latest video, which is nice vlog. So go check it out. And I barely uploaded it because the day I uploaded that is the day I'm filming this one. So I'm filming this Monday. Well, this is gonna go up Wednesday. Okay? Okay. So I have 3 more minutes to film. So I'm gonna get this like really over with because I'm just Beady birder birder birder. And get all the corners, and it's there. It's there. It's there. Just like a marble effect. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, so it's been a long time now, and I actually activated it already. You guys know the process of that. It's basically just a Tide or borax or contact lens solution and baking soda. Comment down below because, in my opinion, I think contact lens solution makes slime really hard. I don't know. That's just my opinion. You know. So comment down below your opinion, or it's because like I tell you guys to like comment stuff and it's just like never comment, which is like so sad, you know. I'm expecting my comment section to blow up with comments, but like you guys just don't be comment. I feel like we're kind of twinning, like twinning. Now legit, I'm about to break my fork, especially how this fork is plastic. Okay, so I'll see you guys whenever it's done. Okay, so I've cleaned off my fork, and this is gonna be good slime. It is pretty hard and rough, but I'm gonna try to put in hot water. But I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, but this is actually my mom's slime, her birthday slime. So instead of being fluffy slime, this is gonna be mom's birthday slime. Yes. Look at them pokers. So do some, here's some ASMR. I don't know if you guys can do that, but it's not very, oh my pop socket, it's not very stretchy. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And comment down below any video suggestions so you guys will get a shout out.